Hello people! What if I told you that you can create this kind of composition in just about 1 minute or so? With this 100% free, no register and SMS required script, you can do this and you can simply skip a lot of routine work when you want to create some glitch effects. So let's see how this works. First of all, you need to install the script, of course, just put it in this folder. Then we open After Effects and go to Window and run our script. We can dock it just like other panels. Now let's create something. We'll create a new composition and create some text. Now we need to select this text, press Displacement, and it creates us this default customizable glitch. It's just a very basic one. We have displacement map. We used created map layer. You can customize it, of course. Maybe you want to decrease complexity, increase or decrease brightness. Let's come back to our main composition, to our displacement map. Here we have just expressions that animate max horizontal and vertical displacements. So it creates us this very basic glitch. Of course, you can delete these expressions, write your own one, add some keyframes if you want. It's totally up to you, it's totally customizable, it's just a template. Okay, let's add composition 1 to composition 2 and click RGB split. It creates two copies of our composition with the set channels effect applied. If we apply the effect called optics compensation, and increase field of view, we will see this RGB split. Of course, we can use a new displacement. We click displacement. You can see it again creates a new map. It also would be different than the previous map. And of course you can customize it the way you want. For example, you can just delete all this and just type wiggle p2, 10. Okay, and the next button is create base. So when we press create base, it creates us a new separate composition with this animation. All these shape layers are just copies. You can delete all of them and duplicate one layer 100 times. It would be the same. But we have here controller. Here we have speed, and the higher value we set, the faster would be our animation. I think 4 is optimal. We can increase minimal scale from 50 to 200. And as you can see, it gets wider. We can also make it even bigger if we change Y scale, of course. For example, from 20 to 70. Now we have this animation. Let's use this base in our main composition now. and click displacement again. I'd like to change the expressions to wiggle 2,50. Again, we can apply RGB split to our base, and it's gonna be even more random. I'd like to actually create new null object, parent all these layers to null object, and make it like a line, 5% Y scale. And we can also apply some effect, for example like wave verb, but it's already unnecessary, and you make some small adjustments. For example, I can set it to 10 and duplicate this one. Let's apply this expression to position. Let's set Y scale to even smaller. I'd like to decrease quality so it will be rendering faster. You can duplicate this line, of course, make 2 lines. You can animate opacity so it will be disappearing sometimes. Let's create a new base and delete almost all of these shape layers. And add this new base to our main composition. This will also create new glitches. You can see what you can do with this script. The potential of this script is pretty big. Many things you can create with this. You only need imagination. So that's all. Download the script, link would be in the description. Check out another script text animator, and also you can watch my free After Effects course.